Good morning, student. Today we start a new chapter. Chapter number 10, time. What is mean by time? Time is the ongoing sequence of event taking place. Okay. So we use different units for time. That is second, minutes, hours, day, month, and year. These are the different units we use for time. Now we see different types of activity. Some activity take a second to complete, and some activity takes hours, and some activity takes month to complete it. So here on page number 137 you have to complete this table. Take a second. First is to gulp a glass of water in second. Okay. To watch a movie takes hours to complete to watch the movie, and take month for a plant to grow. Again another activity, how to see, to write a letter. Suppose you have to write a letter. Suppose you have to write letter A. How much time? Within 1 second you complete this letter A. Okay. Again which activity take a complete within second? To sharp your pencil. So to write, to sharp a pencil. Complete within a second. Again to eat chocolate. Wait. How much time is needed to complete to eat chocolate? Again one more activity, to see the time and say. आपको किसी ने टाइम पूछा, हाउ मच टाइमिंग नाउ? नाउ यू से 4 o'clock. हाउ मच टाइम इज नीडेड? ओनली सेकेंड. विद इन अ सेकेंड यू से 4 o'clock. To write, to see the time and say. Then take hours. Take hours to watch a movie. Okay. Then to write a poem. When you have to write a poem, take hours. टू ड्रॉ पिक्चर. आपका ड्राइंग जब आपको करना है, ड्रॉ करना है पिक्चर, हाउ मच टाइम स्पेंड? यू शुड कलर. आप कलर करोगे तो आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा? 1 hour. सो टू ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर. अगेन टू स्टिच योर शर्ट. टू स्टिच अ शर्ट मीन्स आपको आपका शर्ट बनाना है तो टेलर विद इन सेकेंड तो बना के नहीं देगी, तो आपको उनको कितना, टेलर को कितना टाइम लगेगा? आवर्स लगेगी पूरा कंप्लीट करने के लिए. अगेन टू मेक द फूड. टू मेक द फूड. दिस एक्टिविटी टेक्स आवर्स टू कंप्लीट द एक्टिविटी. दे टेक्स मंथ. फॉर अ प्लांट टू ग्रो take a month. Then to write a novel or to make a picture or album. To practice your exam or sports. Again to prepare a project. To write novel. These are the activity takes month to complete. So in this way you have to complete the page number 137 activity. And now we see the reading time. Now we see how to read the time. You know, this is clock. Okay, and the numbers 1 to 12 mark on it. It has 2 hands. One is short hand is called hour hands, and long hand is called as minute hand. And some clock show another head, that is second. This is second hand. Okay. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to next number. This is hour hand. And this hour hand takes 1 hour, completely 1 hour to move from one number to another number. The minute hand moves faster than our hand, and it takes 5 minutes to move from one number to another number or next number. See, this is second hand, this second hand take 5 minutes to, this is minute hand, okay, sorry. This take 5 minutes to move from one number to next number. And the second hand moves fastest, and it takes 5 seconds to move from one number to next number. This is second hand, and this second hand takes 5 seconds to move from one number to next number. Okay, see, this is our hand, this is minute hand, and this is second hand. Okay, this is your clock. Now we see the different times, how to read the different times on the clock. See, this is first clock. What is the timing in the first clock? The big needle on 12 and small needle on 4. Means minute hand on 12 and hour hand on 4. Means this small needle on 4. This is our hand. So timing is 4 o'clock. Okay. We write this timing in this way or in word. 4 o'clock. Okay. We write this way. Now second. See, what is the timing in this clock? In this clock, the small needle, that is our hand, between the 1 and 2, and big hand means minute hand on 6. Okay, so the, see here, big hand here on 12. So here completely 12 o'clock. But here big needle on the 6 means we get here timing 1 o'clock 30 minutes. हाफ मतलब सी हियर, दिस इज टाइमिंग कितना रहता है 5 मिनट्स. 5 टू द 10, 15, 20, 25 and 26. What is the distance between two number? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. So distance between two number is 5. So 5 6 are 30 means after 1 o'clock how many minutes passed? 30 minutes. So you write the timing 1 o'clock 30 minutes, or how to write? This is half past. The big needle on 6. So you remember that half past. Half past 1. Okay. 1 o'clock 30 minutes means 1 o'clock complete हो गए. After then 1 o'clock how much timing spent? 30 minutes और ज़्यादा हो गए. So 1:30 means half past 1. Okay. Now see again one more example here. This needle. See here. Small needle means hour and on between 10 and 11. Okay. Means 10 o'clock complete हो गए. And minute hand on 6. So minute hand on 6 means 5 6 are 30. Okay. So 5 6 are 30 means 10 o'clock complete. After 10 o'clock how much time spent? 30 minutes passed. Okay. So timing is 10:30. Or in other word, how to write? Half past 10. Okay. See here, you already know that how to write the timing. Half past 10, quarter past, quarter to. Again we revise it again. See here. Okay. Now when big needle, remember that when big needle on 6 the timing is half past. Now we see quarter past. Now see, this is timing clock. You already know that, you study in chapter fraction. This is half. Okay. So when big needle on 6, this is 12 and this 6, we say half past. Again we divide this circle into 4 equal parts. So this one part is called 1/4. Okay. This is 1/4 and 1/4 is called quarter. Okay. We say that is quarter. Okay. So now we see quarter past. How to write? So see here. This is clock. सी बिग नीडल ऑन 3, मिनट हैंड कहाँ पे? ऑन 3, एंड स्मॉल हैंड आवर हैंड कहाँ पे? बिटवीन 7 and 8. सो द टाइम इज क्वार्टर पास्ट. क्वार्टर पास्ट कितना हुआ? 7. Quarter past 7. How to write here? See here. Timing is 7 o'clock. Complete हो गए. And after 7 o'clock, how much timing spared? 5 threes are. This distance between two number 5. And big needle on 3 means 5 threes are 15. 7 o'clock 15 minutes. So timing is 7:15. So we write down the other way, quarter past 7. Okay. Now see one more example here. Again, see big needle on 3 means this timing is quarter past. Okay. So and small needle means hour and कहाँ पे? Between 12 and 1 means 12 o'clock complete. Okay, 12 o'clock is complete. After 12 o'clock, 5 threes are 15 minutes past. Means we write other way, quarter past 12. Okay. Now again see third example here. Again see, first see the minute hand on 3 means minute hand on 3 means quarter past. Now small needle means hour and कहाँ पे? Between 4 and 5. So 4 o'clock complete. And after 4 o'clock, how much time spent? Be 15 minutes. So 4:15. So we write in another way, quarter past 4. This is hours. So we write here hours. Quarter past 4. Now we see quarter 2. How to write? Now see timing in this clock. We see again. Now we see quarter 2. Okay. See again. See minute hand on 9. Here minute hand on 9 means 2 o'clock complete. After 2 o'clock, how much time spent? 5 nines are 45. So 2:45. This is your timing. Now how to write other way? See quarter 2 means time है. कौन टाइम कब? 3 o'clock को how much time is remain? See this is 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 15 minutes. Quarter to 3. तो quarter to 3 o'clock को कितना टाइम बाकी है अभी? 15 minutes बाकी है. So we write here quarter to 3. But 2 o'clock complete हो गए. 2 o'clock 45 minutes. 2 hours 45 minutes complete. And quarter 2 means the time is 3 o'clock ko how much time is remaining? 15 minutes. So we write the 2:45 and quarter to 3. Here hours it changes. Okay. Now again see next clock. Again here big needle on 9 and small needle on 6. So minute hand on 9 means this is quarter 2, and small needle means hour hand between 5 and 6 means 5 o'clock complete. Okay, 5 o'clock complete हो गए. After 5 o'clock how much time? 9. 5 9s are 45. 5:45 means 5 o'clock 45 minutes. And another way how to write? Quarter 2. तो कौन सा नंबर है नेक्स्ट? 6. तो 6 o'clock को कितना टाइम बाकी है? 15 minutes बाकी है. So we write here quarter to 6. Now again see here one more example. Big needle on 9. So this is again quarter 2, but small needle means hour and between 11 and 12 means 11 o'clock complete हो गए. After 11 o'clock how much minute? 5 9s are 45 minutes. And another way how to write? Quarter 2 भी कौन सा टाइमिंग होगा? 12. ओके 12 o'clock अभी हो गए, इसलिए quarter to 12. इतना क्वार्टर बाकी है means 15 minutes left to complete 12 o'clock. So in this way you have to complete question exercise 10.1 in your notebook. थैंक यू।